How to fix OneNote error code 0xE00009C8 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. An outdated version of OneNote may not be compatible with Microsoft's updated server protocols, leading to sync errors. Ensuring your app is up to date can resolve compatibility issues. If that didn't work, manually syncing the notebook can help OneNote establish a fresh connection with the cloud server, forcing an update that may bypass the error. Open Start and type Fix Network. Network problems, such as unstable Wi-Fi or restrictions set by a firewall, can prevent OneNote from syncing properly. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, corrupted cache files can disrupt the syncing process, causing error code 0xE00009C8. Clearing the cache can remove these corrupted files and allow OneNote to create a fresh, functioning cache. Open your username folder. Delete all files in this folder. Restart OneNote and try syncing again. If that didn't work,